Oof. The stable genius's latest legal defense is a doozy: former President Donald Trump's legal defense by his attorneys in response to a suit filed by Citizens for Responsibility and Ethics in Washington, CREW, which seeks to have him disqualified from the ballot in California under the 14th Amendment, is a doozy. We know that Trump has never read the Constitution, but he could at least fake it. After all, he faked being a president for 4 years. Although he's a terrible actor. Trump's attorneys argue that the twice impeached one-term president was not required to support the Constitution, The Independent reports. Time equals 400 ms. greater than a clause of the amendment, which passed into the Constitution in 1868, bans those who engaged in insurrection against the United States from holding any civil, military, or elected office without the approval of 2/3 of the House and Senate. Mr. Trump's lawyers are arguing that the phrasing of the clause, Section 3, does not apply to all officers of the United States, but only those who take an oath to support the U.S. Constitution. The presidential oath, which the framers of the 14th Amendment surely knew, requires the president to swear to preserve, protect and defend the Constitution, not to support the Constitution, said the filing, obtained by news outlet Law and Crime. Because the framers chose to define the group of people subject to Section 3 by an oath to support the Constitution of the United States, and not by an oath to preserve, protect and defend the Constitution, the framers of the 14th Amendment never intended for it to apply to the president. If they wanted to include in the reach of Section 3, they could have done so by expanding the language of which type of oath would bring an officer under the strictures of Section 3. They did not do so, and no number of semantical arguments will change this simple fact. As such, Section 3 does not apply to President Trump. Our democracy is barely hanging on, and that ass-clown's supporters won't care that he has little regard for the Constitution. They didn't blink when he suggested terminating parts of it. This is just more of the same from that anti-American buffoon. But thanks for saying the quiet part out loud, I guess. Perhaps Representative George Santos, who drafted the Constitution, can explain it to Donald Trump.